Привет! Сейчас я прочитаю для тебя текст clothing. Many pieces of clothing are invented for a functional purpose before they ever become fashionable, but as they become symbolic of a certain kind of lifestyle, certain items become expressive of meaning. For example, cowboy boots originated as functional footwear for men working in the West. Cowboys were seen as rugged and individualistic because of the demands of the occupation, and cowboy boots have persisted as a choice fashion item for people wishing to express these values. Even when worn far from ranches or cows, cowboy boots continue to signify values that appeal to people everywhere. Fashion is often fueled by the desire to be different enough to stand out, but similar to belong to the group that your clothing helps to identify. На этом все. До встречи в следующем видео.